This is Breast Cancer by Camden Trinkle. So, my health concern I chose was breast cancer because both of my grandmas have died of breast cancer and it's very common in my family. This is why I wanted to research more into it so I can do best to prevent myself from getting it later in life with such high risk. So, breast cancer is a form of cancer that mainly occurs in the breast regions. Cancer is basically when the growth of cells in a part of the body goes through unregulated growth checks and grows regularly and rapidly, which causes an excess of unneeded cells, which can become very bad for the immune system. It's more common in women, obviously, but men can also contract breast cancer. Breast cancer, along with many other types of cancer, are more likely to occur in people who consume large amounts of alcohol or smoke more often. So to limit the chances of breast cancer, you should try to remain physically active, and if you're a woman, breastfeed your children more. And also, obviously, don't do alcohol and smoke. Breast cancer is important due to it being a major form of cancer that's extremely deadly and affects roughly 200,000 people a year. Roughly 200,000 people suffer from breast cancer, as said in the last slide, and every year about 42,000 women and roughly 200 men die to breast cancer. Breast cancer, obviously, just like the statistics, affects women significantly more. And statistically, black women suffer the most from breast cancer. So people who avoid alcohol and other abusive substances can be less at risk to contracting breast cancer. Also, people who do not take hormones are less likely to contract it. And there are various genetic dispositions that can lead to someone being more likely to contract it, like me. Breast cancer can be treated like any other cancer under chemotherapy and radiation treatments. And breast cancer can also be treated by surgically removing the tumors if they are present, or even a mammoplasty. Someone can contact a doctor or trusted medical professional to get screenings and CT scans to check for breast cancer. And teens can spread information about breast cancer and can learn more information by asking people for personal experience or even going to the doctor's office or hospital to inquire more about the topic. And these are my sources that I provided. And they all end in .org or .gov, which is my reason for choosing them.